If you're tired of slow WordPress sites, constant plugin updates, security worries, and dealing with technical headaches, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the best managed WordPress hosting providers, what managed hosting actually means, and which option is best for beginners, businesses, bloggers, and growing websites. I'll cover performance, features, pricing, pros and cons, and who each host is best for, so you can choose the right managed WordPress host without overpaying. And if you want the best discounts available, I've added links in the description below that unlock exclusive pricing. Quick disclosure, those links are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best managed WordPress hosting discounts available. Let's get started. What is managed WordPress hosting? Managed WordPress hosting means your hosting provider handles all the technical stuff for you, including WordPress core updates, daily backups, security and malware protection, speed optimization and caching, server-level performance tuning, expert WordPress support. This is different from shared hosting, where you're responsible for most of this yourself. Managed WordPress hosting is ideal if you want faster load times, better security, less maintenance, more reliability. Number 1, WP Engine. WP Engine is one of the most well-known managed WordPress hosting providers, and for good reason. Why WP Engine is great. Extremely fast performance, enterprise-level security, daily automatic backups, free premium themes, StudioPress, excellent WordPress-only support. Best for serious bloggers, businesses, agencies, high-traffic websites. Downsides, more expensive than beginner hosting, no email hosting included. If performance and reliability are your top priorities, WP Engine is one of the best options available. Number 2, Kinsta. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress host built entirely on Google Cloud's infrastructure. Why Kinsta stands out: Google Cloud Platform C2 servers, automatic scaling for traffic spikes, built-in CDN, daily backups, one-click staging environments, best for high-traffic blogs, WooCommerce stores, developers, performance-focused websites. Downsides, higher price point, not beginner-focused. If you want top-tier speed and scalability, Kinsta is hard to beat. Number 3, SiteGround. SiteGround offers a more affordable managed WordPress experience, making it great for people upgrading from shared hosting. Why SiteGround is popular: excellent customer support, built-in caching and performance tools, free daily backups, automatic updates, free email hosting included. Best for beginners, small businesses, bloggers, first-time managed hosting users. Downsides, renewal prices increase, limited storage on lower plans. This is one of the best value options for managed WordPress hosting without the premium price tag. Number 4, WPX Hosting. WPX Hosting is one of the fastest managed WordPress hosting providers you can get, and it's especially known for speed and support. Why WPX Hosting stands out: extremely fast servers with custom-built caching, free unlimited site migrations done for you, free malware removal if your site is hacked, daily backups included, 24/7 live support with very fast response times. One thing that really sets WPX apart is that their support team actually fixes problems for you, instead of just pointing you to documentation. Best for bloggers, affiliate marketers, content creators, small businesses, anyone who wants speed without complexity. Downsides, no traditional cPanel, custom dashboard instead, higher starting price than shared hosting. If you want premium speed, excellent support, and hands-off WordPress management, WPX Hosting is one of the best options available. Number 5, Cloudways. Cloudways is a different type of managed WordPress hosting. It lets you choose your cloud provider while still handling the management for you. Why Cloudways is unique? Choose between DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, etc. Excellent performance, pay-as-you-go pricing, built-in caching and security, best for advanced users, developers, growing sites that need flexibility. Downsides, slight learning curve, email hosting not included by default. If you want control plus managed features, Cloudways is a strong option. If you want enterprise-level hosting, WP Engine. Best performance at scale, Kinsta. Best value managed hosting, SiteGround. Fastest plus best support combo, WPX Hosting. Most flexibility, Cloudways. There's no single best option. It depends on your website goals and budget. Managed WordPress hosting costs more than shared hosting, but you're paying for speed, security, time saved, expert support. I've added discount links in the description below that unlock the lowest pricing available for each provider. If you want a balance of speed, support, and simplicity, WPX Hosting is one of the best managed WordPress hosts you can choose. If you're running a business or high traffic site, WP Engine or Kinsta are excellent. And if you want flexibility and control, Cloudways is still a strong option. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, hosting reviews, and money-saving tips. Check the links in the description to get the best managed WordPress hosting discounts, and drop a comment below if you want help choosing the right plan for your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.